The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety announced that only 2 out of 15 small SUVs, the Ford Escape and Volvo XC40, protect the rear occupant well enough to earn a good rating in its updated moderate overlap front evaluation crash test. The chart shows that many of the small SUVs tested scored poor when it came to passenger protection. The Toyota RAV4 earns an acceptable rating, and the Audi Q3, Nissan Rogue and Subaru Forester are rated marginal. Another 9 vehicles, the Buick Encore, Chevrolet Equinox, Honda CR-V, Honda HR-V, Hyundai Tucson, Jeep Compass, Jeep Renegade, Mazda CX-5 and Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, are rated poor. The original moderate overlap test was our first evaluation and the linchpin of the Institute's crash testing program, said IIHS President David. Harkey. Thanks to automakers' improvements, drivers in most vehicles are nearly 50% less likely to be killed in a frontal crash today than they were 25 years ago. Our updated test is a challenge to manufacturers to bring those same benefits to the back seat. The stellar performance of the Escape and XC40 shows it's possible.